Want to look cute and confident at school without wearing any makeup? Whether you're running late, want to embrace your natural beauty, or just prefer a fresh look, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share the best beauty hacks, skincare tips, and fashion tricks to help you look effortlessly adorable every day. Stay tuned! The key to looking cute without makeup starts with healthy, glowing skin. Here's how to achieve it. Moisturize. Hydrated skin looks fresh and radiant. Sunscreen is a must. Protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging. Stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water keeps your skin naturally plump and clear. Well-groomed eyebrows and long lashes can make a huge difference in how you look. Here are some easy tricks. Brush your brows. Use a spoolie to shape them for a neat and polished look. Use clear eyebrow gel. It keeps them in place all day. Curl your eyelashes. Instantly brightens up your eyes without mascara. Apply castor oil. Helps grow fuller brows and longer lashes naturally. Your hair plays a big role in your overall appearance. Try these simple yet stylish hairstyles, braids or messy buns. Perfect for a chic, effortless vibe. Half up, half down style makes you look put together instantly. Silky, smooth hair. Use leave-in conditioner to keep it shiny and frizz-free. Accessorize. Hair clips, scrunchies, or headbands add a fun touch to your look. Your outfit can make you feel confident and stylish. Here's how to put together a cute school look without much effort. Wear well-fitted clothes. They instantly make you look more put together. Go for soft colors and patterns. Pastels, florals, and neutrals give a fresh, youthful vibe. Layer smartly. A cute cardigan or denim jacket can upgrade any outfit. Comfort is key. Sneakers or flats keep you comfy and stylish all day. Looking cute isn't just about appearance, it's about confidence. Here's how to glow from within. Good posture. Standing tall makes you look more confident and attractive. Smile often. A happy face is the best beauty secret. Stay positive. A cheerful attitude makes you naturally more charming. Self-care. Take care of yourself and it will show in your energy and presence. And there you have it. Looking cute in school without makeup is all about healthy skin, simple beauty tricks, and confidence. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.